Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'm going to be answering the 12 frequently asked questions that I get about the Keble app. Now, in case you're new to my channel or you are hearing about the Keble app for the first time, the Keble app is an investment app that allows you to invest in real estate properties both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria with as low as $10, and then you get returns on your investments. Now, I've made various videos about the Keble app. I've made videos about how to invest on the app, how to make money on the app, and the important things you need to know before you start investing on the app. Links to these videos will be in the description below. Now, in case I don't answer any of your questions about the Keble app in this video, kindly drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be answering every question that I get. Now to the 12 frequently asked questions about the Keble app. Number one is, how can I make money on the Keble app? Now, when you start investing on the Keble app, there are two ways you can make money on the app. The first one is through the ROI, which is your return on investment. Now, when you check the platform and you see the various properties right there, you'll be seeing different ROIs for each property, which means that each property has its own ROI. The second way you can make money on the platform is through the property appreciation, whereby the value of that property goes up and then the value of your capital also goes up. So those are the two main ways you can make money on the platform. The second question is, can I use Keble outside Nigeria? Yes, you can use the Keble app outside Nigeria in as much as you're in Nigerian and your Keble account is verified. You can use it anywhere around the world. The third question is, what ID card can I use to verify my Keble account? Now, as at the time of making this video, you can use your national ID card, your driver's license, and your international passport to verify your Keble account. For number 4, how can I deposit or withdraw my money on the Keble app? Now, I have a tutorial video on how to deposit and withdraw your money on the Keble app. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. So if you need a step-by-step guide on how to do this, ensure you watch that video. Question number 5 is, can I withdraw my money anytime? As at the time of making this video, no, you can't withdraw your money anytime. You can only withdraw your money after the duration of each investment. But Keble is currently working on a feature that will allow you to withdraw your money and your ROI after just 3 months of investing. So once that feature is out, I will update you guys about it. For number 6, can I own a property alone through the Keble platform? Yes, you can own a property or invest in the property alone through Keble by sending an email to hello@keble.co. Number 7 is, how do I withdraw my ROI and my capital after the duration of the investment? Now, once the duration of your investment is over, your ROI and your capital will be directly transferred to your wallet on the app, and you can then withdraw it from your wallet to your bank account. Number 8 is, can I invest instrumentally on the app? Yes, you can invest instrumentally on the app. You can invest in the property every day or every month or every week on the app until the property is closed for investment. Number 9 is, how long can I invest for on the platform? Now, this is based on the duration of the investment of the property that you are investing in on the platform. I hope you understand that. And number 10 is, can I invest in more than one property? Yes, you can invest in more than one property on the platform. I'm currently investing in 3 properties on the Keble app. Number 11 is, why are some properties closed for new investors? Now, if you check the platform, you see that some properties are currently closed for new investors. And this is because each property is only open for a limited number of weeks so that you can invest your money, and then they are closed and then new properties are then brought to the platform. Now, question 12 is, what is the Keble token all about? Now, if you go to the platform, you will see something called Keble token. Now, this is just like the currency you are spending on the Keble app. And as at the time of making this video, one Keble token is equal to $10 and is equal to 7,600. So you need to know that at the back of your mind. And also, whenever you want to invest on any property on the platform, you'll be asked to enter the number of Keble tokens you want to invest in that property. So if you are picking one Keble token, that means you want to invest 7,600. If you are picking 10 Keble tokens, that means you want to invest 76,000 naira, and so on. So these are the 12 frequently asked questions that I always get about the Keble app. If you have any question about the app that I have not answered, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be answering every questions that I get. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.